Konbanwa, Vince this. Hello everyone, this is Vince. This is just a very fast or rather very short lesson, a rather refresher course, and a supplemental lesson for everyone. Minasan. Remember, yesterday I have presented to you the part 1 of essential verbs or most commonly used verbs in Nihongo or Japanese language. So this is the second part or part 2 of that supplemental lesson or refresher course. So, それでは皆さん、早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, let's begin. Okay, this is just very short lesson 皆さん。So, now, let me give you this. Okay, so the first column is the English translation. First column, or rather leftmost column, is the English translation. The second column is the Romaji or Gothic writing. That is a Gothic writing version of Kana writing. The third column is the combination of Kana and Kanji, Kana writing and Kanji, and you can see the Okurigana. The fourth column or the rightmost column is the Kana writing, explaining the third column. Okay, so you may also do screenshots, minasan. Okay, know, shiru, shiru. Think, kangaeru, kangaeru, kangaeru. Imagine, souzou. This is S-O-U-Z-O-U. Imagine, souzou suru, souzou suru, souzou suru. And you can see in its kana writing, it's S-O-U and Z-O-U, souzou suru. Feel, kanjiru, feel, kanjiru, kanjiru, feel. Like, konomu, konomu, as in okonomiyaki. So the noun form of konomu is konomi. That's where we got the okonomiyaki. Konomu, to like or liken a thing, to like a thing. Konomu. Now this like kirao or kirao, and the noun form for kirao is kirai, kirao. Okay, love, aisuru, love, aisuru, aisuru. Hate, nikumu, nikumu, and the noun form for nikumu, nikumi, nikumi, nikumu. This is the kanji form for hate, kanji form for love. Believe, shinjiru, believe, shinjiru. Expect, shitai, expect, shitai suru, shitai suru, shitai suru. Understand, rikai suru, rikai suru. Remember, omoidasu, remember, omoidasu. Or if you want to request, please remember it, omoidashite, omoidashite. Okay, agree, doi suru, doi suru. Or you can also say an alternative form for agree is sansei desu. You can say sansei desu, sansei desu, or could be also doi suru, doi suru. Okay, laugh, warao, and the noun form for laugh, warai. Cry, naku, naku. Or how about crying? The te form plus iru, naiteiru. Get angry, okuru, okuru. Feel sad, kanashimu, kanashimu. Noun form for feel sad, kanashimi, kanashimi. Wish or hope. Actually, negao is request, which is also linked to wishing something. Negao, wish, negao. Noun form for negao, negai, as in onegai shimasu. Get surprised, odoruku, odoruku. Forget, wasureru, wasureru. Satisfy, manzuku suru, manzuku suru. Doubt, utagao, doubt, utagao. Doubt, utagao, utagao. Quite a difficult kanji here, especially for manzoku suru and utagao. Utagao, decide, kimeru, kimeru. But kimeru is a transitive verb. The intransitive verb for decide is kimaru. Kimeru is transitive verb. The intransitive verb counterpart for kimeru is kimaru, but the same kanji. Notice kizuku. Notice kizuku. 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 Notice. So that's it, minasan. This is just a short lesson. So this is the short lesson of part 2, most common or most essential verbs in Japanese or Japanese language or Nihongo. So I thank you for watching until the end. それでは皆さん、最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。最後まで見てくれて本当にありがとうございました。では皆さん、また次の動画で。And by the way, I have a lesson for October 1, 7:30, and it's a live premiere for another kanji. それでは皆さん、this is as far as we could go for today. 今日はここまでです。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。ありがとう皆さん。バイバイ。じゃあな。バイバイ。ありがとう。バイバイ。